Hangers were made from cut down rebar, fashioned into nails, rolled over on themselves to grab these huge chunks of 3/4 inch steel. When it gets to like this and you're working rebar, stop. All you're going to do is fracture the end of it, okay? It'll just keep chipping off. This is where you go to the grinder and make the shape that you want for the tail. This steel is too cruddy to be doing anything that's really refined. It's still got not nearly enough carbon in it for it to do its thing. Let it air cool a little bit. The concept is we take these, come on, heat up this flatter part, and then we form it around this particular piece of steel. And once we get it wrapped around, we just tap it in, and it creates a nice little holster, a little kind of system where we can put our, like, thusly. It works pretty well. You had a couple injuries on this particular step. He's lost a bit of his knuckle in the past.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised how unforgiving that grinder is to flesh. By the time you feel the bump, it's too late. It's too late. Yeah, you went, ouch, and there's just blood getting all over the grinder. Go. Let's see. Heat. There you go, lad.
Damn.
Did they teach you how to hit anything in Marine school?
Yeah.
You know, aside from the bad guys, grab that thing.
Okay.
What?
This is a pain in the ass, man.
Welcome to being a blacksmith, indeed. Stop your whining.
This is bullshit, man.
Yeah. Come. Let your mad at.
All right.
If you hurt me,
I will do my utmost not to.
go.
Hit.
Come on. Like you're mad
I
at.
want to put it over there a little bit.
Not
Yeah,
that.
let's not do that. Put it the other way around.
Damn.
We're getting there now.
Okay.
Don't worry, the pain is almost done.
I mean, seriously, man, do you have any idea what the level of vibration is like through these handles? Mommy!
You want me to hold?
Oh.
They can hold it.
I want you to know that that is just racing. Ow-wah, ow-wah-wee, ow-wah, ow-wah, ow-wah.
Brace.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
I ain't hitting you. You're stressing me out.
Try to hit the freaking thing. Okay, fun. Thank you.
Now.
You're killing me.
Okay, let's try.
Wait for it.
Yes, yes.
That is level with your thing.
Oh, man. I suppose it is. It's not quite the way I'd hoped it would be.
What do you want it to be?
You know, it's a... No, you know, that's passable. That's passable.
Close enough for government work?
I mean, that's good.
Close enough for government
A
work?
little more slanted than the first one, but, I mean, a little more of an angle, but I'd say that's...
Hot.
Dang. He's still going.
Yeah.
Once that cools down, well, actually, I think it's cool enough for me to us to put it on the with tongs, probably.
Pull back.
Mm-hmm.
Pull back. Done.
I'm stuck! Help! Yeah, we're good. Is that everything you wanted?
There.
Nicely done. Now we can pull it out, do the little tip tap on the side to adjust its angle. I mean, we're just that good. Big Bertha, yes. The language.
They all do that.
Oh yeah. It's just gonna be it's a stylistic choice, guys.
That's right. We did that on purpose.
Completely intentional. But it works. So now we only got 2 more.
Thank God.
Just 2 more bars.
2 more, man. No problem.
Wait for it. And should I put it over thusly?
Yep.
I think we're flat. Now to get this down. Yeesh. The reason why is because it wasn't set properly in there. This one is very clearly a little bit closed, but since it's for the small ones, we could use these for the small ones, it'll be fine. Yeah.
A bit shorter.
I like it.
Close enough for government work?
Yeah, we're good.
No, it's okay. I've got this.
You're doing great. Holy sh...
That's the hot end.
Yeah, that is the
Don't use the thin gloves on the hot end. Don't use the thin gloves on the hot end.
Whoa. I mean, if that wasn't sick to you guys, I don't even know what is, man. Nicely done. It is a little higher than the other ones, but not for long. I'm tightening it now.
Good enough.
Chia.
Shaw.
Chia, man.
Take the little dude.
Yeah. And now one more. I'm gonna have to get a better grip once I get it on the. Okay, everyone fucking knew. Okay. What then? Getting that. Okay. Isa. That should be nice and secure. Oh, it is twisting. I'm holding it in place.
I like it. It's level with the bottom.
It's scream. The souls of the damned cry out. Pull to you. Eat more material.
There you go.
That's good. Did you get fizzed?
You are home, sir.
Indeed, it is parked.
There we go.
There we go.
Wrong.
Wrong. Right. Wrong. Beautiful.
We now have hangers. Hangers were made from cut down rebar, fashioned into nails, rolled over on themselves to grab these huge chunks of 3/4 inch steel that you saw us hammer and shape out on the horn and the vise. By the way, we strongly recommend you don't treat your vise like we do. Be nice, occasionally say nice words to it because we're abusing ours. But we now have at the ready. And then some place to put it right after. Ta-da. We be blacksmithing. Pretty dang cool. So, from Triforge Smithing, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.